Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the game mode in your Windows 11 here. So if you have not turned on the Windows game mode here, Windows game mode will help you to play the game more efficiently here. So first of all, you need to go to your Windows 11 start menu here, click on it, and here you have to find the settings option here. So if you can find the settings option here, you can search from here, just search for setting here, then open the settings app here. After opening the settings app, in the left here, you'll see option called gaming here. So click on gaming, and here you'll find the option called gaming mode. Click on gaming mode here. As you can see, there's the game mode here, which is turned off here. So game mode will optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background. So when you play games, any games or software, it will turn off some background things to make it more efficient for you playing the game here. So to turn it on, just click on this on here, and the game mode is now turned on here. So if you want to know more about game mode, you can click here. So that's it guys, this is how you turn on game mode in Windows 11 here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.